On this episode of the AI Unraveled show, we'll demystify the key concepts behind AI, explore its real-world applications, and provide you with a solid foundation to start your journey into this fascinating field. From machine learning to neural networks, we'll be your guide to understanding the fundamental building blocks that power AI technologies. Unveiling AI's magic. Welcome to the realm of artificial intelligence. This fascinating technology unveils the true magic of human ingenuity, empowering computers to mimic human-like thinking and problem-solving. Picture a universe where computers don't just crunch numbers but understand languages, process emotions, and learn from experience. AI is the key that unlocks the door to a new era of possibilities, where machines become your companions in deciphering complex puzzles, making predictions that astonish, and turning data into insights that drive progress. AI's magic lies in its ability to learn and adapt, much like a wise mentor guiding its protege. Machine learning, a cornerstone of AI, is akin to planting seeds of knowledge that computers nurture and grow, evolving into brilliant thinkers capable of outsmarting the most intricate challenges. Neural networks, the digital equivalent of interconnected synapses, enable machines to perceive the world through data, recognizing images, language nuances, and even emotional cues. AI 101, it's easier than you think. Beneath the layers of tech jargon lies the captivating realm of artificial intelligence, and here's the exciting news. Understanding AI is a lot easier than you might imagine. Think of AI as your friendly digital companion, designed to grasp patterns and learn like a curious apprentice. Imagine teaching your dog a new trick. You show it, it learns, and soon enough, it's a pro. AI is similar, but with numbers and data. It's like nurturing a virtual pet that grows smarter with each interaction. AI's secret sauce is machine learning, a process akin to guiding a child's development. Just as children absorb knowledge from their surroundings, AI learns from data. It's like training your phone to recognize your voice, so it understands your commands and even predicts what you need. This process is powered by algorithms, the equivalent of a recipe guiding your computer to bake a perfect data cake. You provide the ingredients, data, and the algorithm mixes them up to reveal tasty insights. Don't be discouraged by the complexities. AI is all about simplifying tasks. Imagine having a helper in your kitchen who not only remembers your favorite recipes, but also suggests new ones based on your taste. That's AI at play. It takes the guesswork out of everyday activities, making life smoother and more efficient. Enter the brainiacs, neural networks. Imagine an intricate web of interconnected brain cells, each responsible for deciphering a unique piece of a puzzle. This best describes how neural networks function. They are the brainiacs of artificial intelligence, AI. These digital brain cells, inspired by the human nervous system, allow machines to unravel the mysteries hidden within data. Just as your brain pieces together the features of a friend's face, neural networks identify patterns in images, text, and even emotions. The magic of neural networks lies in their ability to learn from examples. It's like teaching a child to recognize animals by showing them pictures. The more pictures they see, the better they become at identifying new animals. Similarly, neural networks process vast amounts of data, fine-tuning themselves to identify objects, sentiments, and even predict future trends. AI today, more real than you think. AI has seamlessly woven itself into our lives, orchestrating a symphony of convenience, intelligence, and wonder. From the moment you wake up, AI is there in your smartphone, your social media feed, and the recommendations that seem almost psychic. Consider your trusty virtual assistant, whether it's Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. These digital sidekicks aren't just programmed robots, they're AI-powered marvels that listen, understand, and respond to your voice commands. They schedule appointments, play your favorite music, and provide weather forecasts. It's like having a friend who knows exactly what you need, precisely when you need it. Ever noticed how the ads on your social media seem tailor-made for your interests? That's AI at work, analyzing your online behavior to suggest products and services you might actually love. Beyond personal convenience, AI's impact is shaping industries worldwide. In healthcare, AI algorithms can analyze medical images with astonishing accuracy, assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases like cancer. In finance, AI detects fraudulent activities, making online transactions safer than ever. In transportation, self-driving cars are no longer a distant fantasy. They're navigating our streets, learning from each mile they drive. So, as you scroll through your smartphone, talk to your virtual assistant, or marvel at the precision of medical diagnoses, remember that AI isn't a futuristic vision. It's the canvas upon which we're painting a future that's smarter, more intuitive, and more extraordinary than ever before. Navigating AI's challenges. Like any tool, AI, it's not devoid of responsibility. The ethical compass ensures that as AI's powers amplify, they are used judiciously and equitably. Consider the notion of bias. When AI systems reflect the biases present in their training data, they perpetuate inequalities. We must ensure that AI serves as a beacon of fairness, fostering a world where algorithms don't discriminate based on gender, race, or other factors. Privacy, another cornerstone, demands our attention. Ethical AI development safeguards individuals' personal information. Striking the balance between innovation and privacy ensures that AI doesn't cross boundaries that erode trust. Equally important is transparency in how algorithms make decisions. Transparency nurtures accountability, fostering trust in a technology that can often feel mysterious. As AI's potential continues to expand, it's our ethical compass that reminds us to wield it responsibly. The power to create autonomous vehicles and revolutionize healthcare brings with it the responsibility to prevent unintended consequences. Beyond the horizon, the AI frontier. The AI frontier is a realm where technology and imagination coalesce, birthing a future where machines and humans collaborate in astonishing harmony. Envision Industries revolutionized healthcare, diagnosing diseases with incredible accuracy, transportation embracing self-driving marvels, and education tailored to individual minds. Yet this frontier isn't confined to mechanics. It's a catalyst for human ingenuity, propelling us toward new pinnacles of creativity and innovation. It's a space where AI offers solutions to climate crises, predicts natural disasters, and redesigns urban landscapes for sustainability. From understanding the magic that AI weaves into our lives to unraveling the potential of neural networks, we've navigated ethical waters and glimpsed the transformative frontiers beyond. Today's AI isn't science fiction. It's an integral part of our reality, enhancing convenience, redefining industries, and illuminating our path to an awe-inspiring future. Thank you for joining us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe as we dig deeper into the ever-evolving world of AI and its impact on our world.